Do you know what triggers an entrepreneur? Do you know what keeps them motivated and keep them rolling all the time? Yes, you are right. It's the feeling and the pride of being a creator, and obviously create a generation legacies for themselves as well. The pride of creating generation legacies not only for themselves but for their partners, associate, their customers as well. And do you know what? If you are in the zone of being a creator, you are your own boss, and who doesn't want to be their own boss? Hi, my name is Alok and I'm the founder of the business Utopia, wherein I'm helping all the passionate people to become successful entrepreneurs. And this is where the creator, the innovator, the ideator comes into play. So if you have a mission, a vision to create something on your own, want to be your own boss, then here we are to help you, handhold you to come out of your challenges in all the stages of your businesses. And we are there to give a one-on-one consultation to tell you what all needs to be taken care of during stage 1, stage 2 and so on and so forth. So what you need to do is here, click on the link below and get in touch with us, contact us. We'll be there to help you out since the inception, because in this business Utopia hub, we conceptualize the dreams, we execute and we achieve those dreams. Hi, my name is Alok and I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I'm an engineer, an entrepreneur, a traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years, and I'm here helping and hand-holding all those business owners who are business owners and entrepreneurs from their minds and their hearts. So if you're that much passionate, get in contact with us. We are there to help you and succeed you in life. Looking forward to clicking on the link below and get in contact. We are eager to meet you.